welcome back to Chivo Garage. In this one we're going to be having a little look at some replacement tail lights for the Cayenne. So over my ownership I've noticed that this one has a crack. It'd be easy to see if it wasn't filthy. Has a crack here and it fills with water. So I have decided to buy some LED smoked ones. I think they're LED, either way, some smoked ones off a chap on one of the Facebook pages. So here we go. I've just literally undone this box. There would have been a live unboxing, but it was plastered with my address. So yeah, let's take these out and see what they look like. So there we go. There's the first one out. Looking rather good. See if they've got some bulbs in. See if the guy was nice to me. Drum roll please. Oh no. There we go. With the bulbs. What a legend. Right, let's try the second one. There's a train going by, thank you very much Network Rail. And there we go, there's the second one. Looking pretty good. I think these units are stuck on the back of one of them, but loose on the other one, so I'm guessing they just need a bit of tape or something to there. Yeah, loose coming off this one, so I'll just put a bit of tape on these. I'll be back with you in a minute. So that's the new lights ready to go, thanks to a bit of love from the old Gorilla tape. Cracking bit of stuff. So to remove the existing headlights from the Cayenne, first off, spare wheel well, and there's a tool just here which comes in really handy for a bunch of things on the Cayenne, and we want to use this end. Next we just go and look at one of these lights, and there should be two of these little plastic caps. I've lost one over the years, and taking a small screwdriver, there's a little lip, we can just pop the cap out like that, and then come in here with this tool and into the Allen head screw and wind it out like this. If you want, you can just use an Allen key. Oops. There we go. That's that one. Obviously I've lost the bottom cap on this one. But in we go and twist. And out that comes, and then it's a case of just kind of manhandling it out. Ow! And trapping your finger while you do it. So on the back of the light, this one's had some work as well. There's a pin here, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there's a sort of a ball head bolt there that sits into here. This has had a life and is tired. And then we have a light connector here, which is just a case of pushing and pulling the connector off. Really difficult with one hand. There we go. That's off, and the light is free. So I'm just going to give this a good clean up. I'll be back in a second. And in famous Haynes parlance, installation is the opposite of removal. Connector. Make sure that goes home. There we go, and line everything up. Fitment's not quite as crisp on these aftermarket lights as the standard ones, but we'll see if we can correct that with the bolts. Fact. Let's just see how that goes on. There we go, that's better. That's better. Plastic cap back in. And there we go, one side finished. And just to quickly show the difference, I think that might look quite smart. So I'll do the other side and get back to you in a minute. So there we go, all finished, installed, and I think that adds quite a nice little refresh to the back end of the Cayenne. Granted, it could really do with a wash, but I am no car washer, so quickly just try them out. There's the indicator. Looking quite good. I think we'll stick with those. That's looking really glary on this, but they look good in the flesh. Right, cheers. There we go, nice little quick job. Looks the part. Thanks to the lad on the Facebook groups. Yeah, cheers. Catch you in the next one.